Many homeowners consider PJ Mac HVAC service and repair one of the best choices for residential furnace repair in Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania because we combine technical expertise, reliable service, and a strong commitment to customer satisfaction. As a trusted local HVAC contractor, we handle everything from detailed furnace repair service and HVAC system repair to full diagnostics of HVAC control systems, vacuum furnaces, and heating equipment. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC service and repair. What causes a furnace to make loud or unusual noises? PJ Mac HVAC service and repair is typically requested by homeowners when their furnace makes loud or strange noises. These noises can be caused by loose blower motors, damaged bearings, or misaligned belts. We thoroughly diagnose the noise, repair it, and guarantee your HVAC system functions quietly, safely, and efficiently throughout our service visits. Is it safe to continue running a furnace that needs repair? Continuing to run a furnace that needs repair is generally not safe and can lead to more serious problems, which is why we strongly recommend addressing issues promptly with residential furnace repair. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, our team thoroughly evaluates the furnace, repairs any damaged components, and ensures your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system operates safely and reliably, giving you peace of mind during the colder months. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.